Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 7 and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select portable hotspot. It's under wireless and networks, and here smoothly by tapping on this switcher you can activate your portable hotspot. And that's it, now it's active and you can share network with other devices. Whenever you would like to switch off your portable hotspot, smoothly click on this icon. If you would like to change your network name and also the password, click on Set Up Portable Hotspot, and here you can smoothly change the name of your hotspot. It's HardReset. And then also the password, just click on the eye icon to see what your current password is, and now enter a new one. Just remember that your password must have at least 8 characters. And once it's done, just click on confirmation mark to save the changes. And that would be all. This is how you can share network, how you can personalize the password and also the network name. If you would like to share your network via QR code, you can smoothly do it by using Share QR Code tab. And then another device can smoothly scan the QR code above. And also if you would like to have a quick access to portable hotspot, smoothly slide down the upper bar, locate hotspot icon, which is here, click on it, and now you can share network with other devices. Then to switch it off, just click on hotspot icon one more time. So that would be all. This is how you can share network with other devices, how you can activate and personalize portable hotspot in your Redmi 7. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.